This is explanation for my Space Systems Engineering course assignment. Activity is about studying satellites. The specific content of an activity is as follows. Studying satellites reside at LEO. The satellites first go to its initial parking orbit before they go to the final orbit. Using the latest batch of Starlink satellites launch, make a presentation that explains them. A. Launch site of the Starlink satellites. Also identify the rocket's specifications, exam, name, mass, fuel, etc. B. Flight plan of the rocket carrying the satellites. C. Orbital transfer from the parking orbit to the final orbit. Make calculations about your data V. Make a video recording of you while explaining the presentation. Upload the video to YouTube. Put the YouTube link in the presentation. Let me briefly introduce Starlink. Starlink is a no-orbit internet consolidation program proposed by the American Space Exploration Technology Company in 2014, with the goal of building a global coverage, high capacity, and low latency space-based communication system to provide high-speed internet services on a global scale. The plan aims to replace traditional communication facilities on the ground with 42,000 satellites to provide no-cost, high-speed, and stable satellite broadband service worldwide. This is SpaceX company. Below is schematic diagram of the operation of Starlink satellites. SpaceX has recently launched 23 Starlink satellites, all of which are currently in orbit, as shown in the table below. The Falcon 9 rocket is carrying out this launch mission at 20:52 Eastern Time on January 14th. The Falcon 9 carrier rocket lifted 23 small second-generation Starlink satellites from the SLC-40 station at Cape Canaveral Space Force Base in Florida, carrying 6 groups of 37 benches, and successfully launching the satellites into their initial orbit. This launch is the 5th launch of the Falcon 9 rocket in 2024, the 4th launch from Cape Canaveral Space Force Base, the 6th launch by the United States, and the 12th launch in the world. This is a photo of the launch site of Falcon 9, and below are the appearance of 23 Starlink satellites. The Falcon 9 is a recyclable medium launch vehicle developed by SpaceX, a U.S. space exploration technology company. The Falcon 9 rocket has a total length of 70 meters, a takeoff thrust of 6,806 kilonewtons, and a takeoff weight of 541 tons. The full-thrust version of the Falcon 9 rocket has a carrying capacity of 22.8 tons in low Earth orbit, 8.3 tons in geographic transfer orbit, and 4.02 tons on Mars, which can meet the launch needs of most spacecraft. The Falcon 9 rocket uses RP-1 kerosene and low-performance liquid oxygen as fuel, and the fuel tank is required with a composite material coated pressing vessel, which is filled with helium gas to maintain the pressure of the rocket propellant fuel tank during propellant discharge. This is the launch plan for the Falcon 9 rocket, and we can see that it will be launched every month in 2024. The missions launched were varied. The comprehensive launch plan of the Falcon 9 rocket can be viewed on the SpaceX official website or accessed on this website, www.rocketlaunch.nav. This is. The third question is to calculate the speed difference of orbit transfer. Due to the fact that these 23 Starlink satellites are all LEO satellites with orbit heights of around 350 kilometers, there is no parking orbit after rocket launch, and they directly enter the predetermined target orbit. Mu is gravitational content of the Earth. R is 6,725 kilometers. By inputting the data, the velocity v is calculated to be 7,698.8 meters per second. Thank you.